What's going on, guys? How's it going? I just got something in the mail today and I wanted you guys to see it. Hold on. Let's open this BZ up. Yes, my nails are that sharp. Hell yeah! If you guys don't know what these are Chrome handles. I've had it on my other IS, but I was too lazy to buy them, so I finally decided, fuck it, I'll buy it. I waited like a week. Yeah, a week or two. And focus. It's from China. It says Is300 right there, but you can't see. I don't know why it's blurry. So I'm gonna open it up and show you guys. So they're basically they're like plastic. See, they're kind of plastic, and they hold up with 3M tape. If you guys ever want them, they are on eBay and Amazon. I bought mine for like $13 or like $12, but here, let me check it out. See, so look at that. It's a mirror, baby. Straight mirror. My other one cracked too, but I sold the car with it anyways. But and I think it comes with, so there's 2 on each side. 2 on each side. I think it comes with an extra one just in case you break it, but it's always the different one. Yeah, see, this is the extra one. Or actually, this goes over here, and that's extra probably, because there's only 2 keyholes for the fronts, but they are amazingly awesome. I do recommend you guys to get these. These are really clean. I mean, only if you guys want something flashy. I do love these. These are really cool. These are a pretty cheap modification if you really want something cheap. It's 12, 13 bucks. What the fuck? Look at this. Look at this. What the fuck? What is that? Ew. I'm gonna install them right now, and why is the camera dirty? I don't know that. Yeah, another reason why I got them is because this paint on my door handle is ripped off. If you guys wonder why, because a year ago I wrapped my car in a Christmas wrap for like this event. It was like a Toys for Tot thing, and yeah, it blew up, and I fucked up because I used really horrible tape. It was Scotch tape, and then I took it off and it ripped off. I recently detailed the car, well, not detailed it, but I cleaned it really good, but there's still goo from 1 year ago. Like, you can still see it, it's right there. And yeah, it's just this that's really bothering me. It's just the little things, but I did clean it, so this shit is beautiful right now. Let me see. Okay, that, I don't think that, I think this is the other side. Unless it's, no. I don't want to put the wrong thing on because I don't have 3M tape, and that would be really bad. Stick it out. Okay, so this one lines up pretty perfect. They're pretty good for China things. They fit pretty like spot on. The only thing is like the keyholes like can be black, but that doesn't bother me much. So I'm gonna take these off. So I just took it off. See, it's just 2 3M tapes, 2 pieces. Good. Oh God. Well, bam. Kind of fat. Oops. Pretty fat, but you'll see when I get it all on. I think the smaller one's next. So I just test fitted all of them on without sticking them on, and they are specific ones. These 2 are on the right side of the car, and these 2 are on the left side of the car. So they fit really good, surprisingly. Look at that. Pretty clean. And then this one, perfect too. It's clean. But I'll show you how this looks on this side. See how it doesn't line up at all. Yeah, it's a gap right there. So yeah, there's specific ones. So if you guys do buy it, be sure to test fit it and then put it on. So they're now on, and they look fucking sweet. A little bit bulkier than usual, but I mean, if you guys like it, then get it. If you don't, obviously you don't. But you can still see some of the paint ripped off on the inside, but I got most of it right here. But I'd say it's like a 8.5 out of 10. It's pretty clean. Oh, another reason why I got it is because the banner's chrome too. So, you know. Head to the website if you guys want to purchase one. I still got a couple. And yeah. But yeah. Look at that. I love it. It's super clean. So me being the idiot, your keyhole would be the extra one that they give you because the Is300s only have one keyhole. I thought it was like my MR2 because the MR2 has 2 keyholes on each side, older models. So yeah. So yeah, dude, I actually like it. It looks really good. I'll show you the other side. Kind of really close. Yeah, this is the keyhole, of course. I don't even know my own car, Jesus. So right now I'm pulling the daily so I can load up the drift spares for tomorrow. Well, it's not tomorrow, but tomorrow is, we're actually spending the night at Grange at night. And here's the chrome handles. It's kind of dark out. So here are the wheels I have. I'm honestly gonna be on the track for like probably 3 laps, honestly. But well, we'll see what happens. So I have 4 wheels here. I have 2 more over there. So the tire is basically done already. Jesus. But fuck it, I'll get a round or 2 in that. And these are all right. They're basically out. But I plan to flip my tires on this car right now. Well, not right now, but probably tomorrow, or yeah, I have to do tomorrow. And these tires are actually really good, but I don't know, we'll see. OG subscribers, you guys know what this wheel came off of. Yes, I kept it. My poor MR2. The tires are fucking brand new, but there's a rip. Rip right there. Rip to this wheel. I only have 2 of these wheels. Rip number 2 on the MR2. Actually, no, I think this one, yeah, this wheel's alright. No, actually, no, I don't think so. This is the bent one, I think. Unless I tossed the other one. Where the fuck did I put it? You're an IS guy if you have 1, 2, 3. Not those. 4, 5, 6. 6 Is300 wheels. You know. And on top of that, check this out. This is like my Is300 junkyard. I got that from my old IS when I had the fake Yana doors, rep doors, you would say. And then I took off, these are my stock off. I don't know what the hell happened right here, Jesus. These are actually in good condition. Very good condition. Oh, except for that. But. And then my rear upper control arms and toe arms. Not only that, front upper control arms, some sliders, that MR2 fog light that fell out, and yeah. Oh, and you have another stock IS wheel. MR2. I have another cover, the IS engine. Again, racing for days. These are the toe arms off my other IS, and this is from my other IS too. And then the steering wheel, some rep, some FRS splitters, and from the MR2 again, destroyed. But yeah. So I lied, and check this out. Yo, it's a brand new tire. It's IS stock, right? Nope. I got fooled. I forgot this was a blowout a long time ago. And rip. And this tire is done too. If you look closely, there's like fucking. Wow. Maybe I should have planned earlier. Yeah, I don't think I got wheels to drift on. Just these 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 5 wheels. Unless I drift on the wheels I come with. That's gonna be sad if I do, because I don't know how I would get back home. See, they're actually really brand new, except for the inner. But yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work out. So I cleaned my helmet. It's been pretty dirty because the last Grange event was pretty long ago. That was when I crashed into the fence. Yep. And yeah, here's how I set everything up. 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's all I got, boys. I actually got 6, if you want to count. Actually, I don't even know if I have a spare. If I have a spare, that would be 6. That's 5, and then 6 underneath. Hopefully there's a spare under there. I'm gonna just take my chances and hope to God there's one down there. But all I gotta say is it's gonna be lit. It don't matter if I'm drifting or not. Well, I'm gonna be drifting, of course. But I'm gonna be recording Dallas, Ricky, Ivan, Gus, all the homies. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be hella fun. And yeah, the car is ready. Not really. I don't even know. Fuck it. Fuck it! Well, rip that. Good! I should really take out my rear liner and my rear bumper, because that shit pops out all the time every time I get up on driveways. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked the video. Hit that like button if you guys liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe. And we are at 1,000 subscribers now, guys. Well, 1,040 or something like that. I want to give a big shout out to all you guys for always supporting me, and to the ones that been there since I started this channel. And I just want to thank you guys. It means a lot to me. And I still have banners and stickers in stock. So just go on the Big Cartel, the Iceyyyboyz.bigcartel.com, and purchase one. And I'll add an extra free sticker for you guys. Grange vlog is going to be starting tomorrow. And February 15th is where it's at, guys. Hope you guys have a great one. And yeah, I'm out. Happy Valentine's Day. No, that was super good.